Yes, my dear children, in the previous class, we have discussed about polynomials. Do you remember that point, my dear children? What is meant by a polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Is every algebraic expression a polynomial? What is the difference between an algebraic expression and a polynomial?
Sorry, algebraic expression, we will get minus 2 as power, but in polynomial
Yes,
we
very
should
good.
not get.
Very good, Benjamin. Very good. The exponent of x, is a non-negative integer. In the case of polynomials, the exponent of the variable, whatever the variable it is, it may be x, it may be y, it may be z, or some any other variable. The exponent of the variable should be a non-negative integer. What is meant by non-negative integers? What are non-negative
2,
integers?
1, 2, 3 are all non-negative integers.
Zero also. Non-negative integers are starting with zero. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Whole numbers are nothing but non-negative integers. Remember this point. Whole numbers and non-negative integers both represent the same. Okay, my dear children? Right. Now, today I am going to discuss standard form or general form of a polynomial of degree n. First, let us discuss what is meant by degree of a polynomial. After that, we will discuss the general form or standard form of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. What is meant by degree of a polynomial? Yes. Highest power of x, the highest exponent of the variable in the polynomial is said to be degree of a polynomial. The highest This is a definition of degree of a polynomial. So the highest power, the highest exponent of the variable in the polynomial is said to be degree of the polynomial. To understand this concept, let us take some examples. This is a given polynomial. How many terms are there in this polynomial? Can you tell me?
Four
How
terms.
many terms? What are the four terms? Tell me.
Minus x square plus 5x, then 7x cubed, then 10x power of 7.
Yes, very good. Very good, my dear. Benjamin, what is this first term called? Do you know how to name a term of a polynomial? What is this first term
Minus,
called?
minus x
Sorry? No, not minus x square. X
square.
square term. X square term.
Minus x square.
This is called x square term. Then tell me what is this term called? Can you tell me?
So
What is
x term.
very good.
5x
Very
term.
good, Jordan. X term. No, don't say 5x term. Don't say like that. Don't say 5x term. X term only. What is the literal coefficient in this term? What is the literal coefficient in this term?
5, sir.
5
Literal. Literal. Not numerical. I am not
x.
asking
Sorry.
numerical. There are two types of coefficients: literal coefficients and numerical coefficient. In any term, there are two types of coefficients. First one is numerical coefficient, and the second one is literal coefficient. If you observe this first term, what is the numerical coefficient? Can you tell me? What is the numerical coefficient?
So -1.
Very
1
good, my dear Jordan. What is the literal coefficient? No, literal means
x.
letters. Literal means letter. X square. Close in the given term, close the numerical coefficient, then we can find literal coefficient. If you close literal coefficient of a term, then we can find numerical coefficient. A simple technique to identify, to find numerical coefficient, close the literal coefficient of the term. To find the literal coefficient of the term, close the numerical coefficient of the term. So, what is the literal coefficient of this term?
X
Very
square.
good. X square only, not x. Again, don't say x. X square only is said to be literal coefficient. We give the name of a term. We give the name of a term. We call the term based on the literal coefficient of a term. Based on, remember this point, my dear children, we call any term based on the literal coefficient of the term. So here, literal coefficient of the term is x square, so it is called x square term. Here, literal coefficient of this term is x, so it is called x term. Now, can you tell me what is this term called?
X cube term.
Yes, very good, Benjamin. X cube term. And what is this term called? What is the fourth term called here?
X to the
What is
power of
this fourth
7
term
term.
called? Yes, very good.
x to the power of 7.
X to the power of 7 term. X to the power of 7 term. First of all, you should learn how to read a term of a polynomial. How to read a term of the polynomial. This is x square term. This is called x term. This is called x cube term. And this is called x to the power of 7 term. Okay, my children. Understood this point? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Message me. At least say yes or no, or at least message me in the chat box yes sir, or understood sir, or clear sir. Like this, message me in the chat box, or directly you can tell me yes sir, understood sir, clear sir. Okay. If any doubt is there, if any confusion is there, then ask me. Then message me, sir. Repeat it once, sir. Repeat it once again. Please, sir. Repeat it to one more time, sir. Okay. Understood this point? So here in this polynomial, there are four terms. Then what is the exponent of x here? What is the exponent of x?
2.
Yes, very good. Exponent means this is superscript. Superscript is called exponent. Superscript. Mathematically, superscript is called exponent. What is exponent of x here?
0.
What is, sorry, Benjamin?
0, sir.
No, we take it as 1. If no exponent is written, in no superscript is written for any variable, if any superscript is not written, it is considered as 1. It is considered as 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my children. Yes. So what is the exponent of x here?
1.
1.
1. Very good. Very good. Very good, my dear Ratish Darshan. What is the exponent of x here?
2. 3.
3.
3.
Yes, very good. Very good. What is the exponent of x here?
7.
7.
Yes, very good. You have to identify exponents of the variables in a polynomial. So here, in the first term, here is 2, here is 1, here is 3, and here is 7. These are the exponents of the variable x. What is the highest exponent? Tell me. In these four numbers,
7.
in these four numbers, 7. So 7 is called degree of this polynomial. Here, 7 is the highest exponent of x. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is equal to 7. Understood this point, my dear children? How to find, how to identify degree of a polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, we will take the screenshot of this page number 1. We will take the screenshot of this page number 1, my dear children, to prepare your classwork notes. You take screenshot. You take the screenshot, my dear children.
Yes, sir.
Take it fast. Take it fast.
Took, sir.
Yes. Now, I will ask you how to find who is that new children? Nasima, Pasmin, new student. Who is this one? Nasima, Pasmin,
No, sir, she's a old student only.
old student. Same name? Any changes? Same name, Nasima.
No, sir.
What's your exact name?
Passmin.
Pasmin. Okay. Okay. What's your roll number in attendance register book?
I don't know, sir.
Sir, John B.
When
David,
did
roll
you
number
join?
13.
Oh, okay. Not I'm not asking join B David. Pasmin roll number. When did you join? Yes, okay, Madriti. Now I will ask you degree of a polynomial. Can you identify degree of a polynomial? Now I will write some polynomials. Can you identify degree of given polynomials?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the
Answer is
degree of
5,
this
sir.
polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial?
5.
Yes, very good, my dear Benjamin. My dear children who joined late, please listen carefully here. This is a given polynomial. This is a given polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is nothing but the highest exponent of x, the highest exponent of the variable in the given polynomial. So here this is a constant term, there is no polynomial, there is no variable, sorry, there is no variable. In this second term, x is there. What is the exponent of this term? Exponent of x, what is exponent of x here? What is exponent of x here? What is the superscript of x here?
So 1.
Yes, very good, Jordan. 1. Previously, I told you if no superscript is written, if no superscript is given to any variable, we consider it as 1. What is the exponent of x here? What is the
5.
exponent of x here? Yes, 5. Very good. Ma Pasina. What is the exponent of x here?
3.
Yes, very good. What is the exponent of x here?
4.
So out of these four, 1, 5, 3, 4. Out of these four numbers, what is the highest number?
5.
4.
Highest number 4 or 5, Ratish?
5
Darshan?
only, sir.
Can you compare the numbers? Which number is smaller and which number is bigger?
5 only, sir.
Don't be confused. So highest exponent is 5. So here degree of this polynomial is 5. What is the degree of this polynomial?
Sir, two,
Sir, that last one is 1 or 2,
2022.
sir.
This one?
2022.
Yes. 2022 is the degree of this polynomial. The highest exponent, the highest exponent of x,
2022.
2022. Tell me what is the exponent of,
20.
what is the degree of this polynomial?
20.
20.
Yes, 20. Highest exponent of the variable y. This is a polynomial in the variable y. So we focus, on the exponent of y. So here highest exponent of y is 20. Tell me degree of this polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial?
1.
1.
1.
Very good. 1. 1. Tell me degree of this polynomial.
3.
1.
Degree of this polynomial.
1.
No. Is there variable? Any variable is there? Is there any
No, sir.
variable?
No, sir, 0.
Yes, 0. 0 is the degree of this polynomial. 0 is the degree of this polynomial. Understood this point, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
How to find degree of a polynomial? I will repeat this point. Degree of a polynomial means the highest exponent, the highest power of the variable in the given polynomial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now take the screenshot of this.
Took, sir.
Take the screenshot of this page number 2. Page number 2. This is the page number 2. Take the screenshot of this page number 2. Have you taken a screenshot, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you writing the classwork notes? Now come to this point. General form or standard form of a polynomial of degree n. Now let us discuss this point. Standard form or general form of a polynomial is based on the concept of degree of a polynomial. This concept is linked with degree of a polynomial. Now we are going to discuss this point. General form or standard form of a polynomial of degree n. What is a general form or standard form of a polynomial of degree n? A polynomial in one variable x of degree n of degree n is an expression of the form a n x to the power of n, a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on. A3 x cube plus a2 x square plus a1 x plus a0. This is the general form of a polynomial where an minus 1, an minus 2 and so on. A3, A2, A1, AN. These are all constants and AN is not equal to 0. This is called standard form or general form of a polynomial of degree n. To understand this concept, let us take an example. How do you write a polynomial in its standard form? Okay. This is the given polynomial 2x minus 3x power 5 plus 7x power 4 plus 5 minus x cube. Now we have to write this polynomial in the general form, in the standard form. Means we have to rearrange these terms of this polynomial we have to rearrange the terms of this polynomial so that we arrange the terms of this polynomial in the descending powers of x, in the descending powers of x. Do you know what is meant by descending order? Ascending order, descending order. Do you know what is
Yes,
meant
sir.
by, what is meant by
Yes, sir.
ascending order?
Smaller to bigger.
Big to
Yes, ascending order means small number to big number.
Bigger to
Descending
smaller.
order means big
Big.
number
big
to
to small.
bigger number to smaller number. Yes. Now here we have to identify exponent of the variable x. This is a polynomial in x. So what are the exponent of x in this polynomial? What is the exponent of x? Tell me here. What is the exponent of x in this first term?
1,
1. What is the exponent of this x?
5,
what is the exponent of this term?
4,
4. What is the exponent of this term?
0,
Very good. What is the exponent of this number?
3.
Now, see these numbers. Are these numbers in the descending order?
No, sir.
No. So, we have to rearrange these numbers in the descending order. So, first we have to write first 5. Yes or no? First bigger number.
4, 3, 1, 0.
So, what is the highest power of x here? 5. Yes or no? So, minus 3x power 5. So, first we have to write this term. We have to write this term. What is the next one? Next highest number? Next highest number is
4,
so 4. So we have to write this term. So plus 7x power 4. Plus 7x power 4. What is the next highest number?
3,
So what is the term?
x2,
No, no.
x3, x3.
Minus x cube. Don't say it as x3, x cube, minus x cube. This is also over. Next, next highest. What is the next highest number?
1 and 0.
So plus 2x. And last one is plus 5.
5,
So if we observe the exponent of the variable x, this is 5, this is 5, this is 4, this is 3, this is 1, and this is 0. Observe the powers, powers of x. Observe the order of powers of x, exponent of x. Are these numbers in the descending power or not? Are these numbers descending order or not? 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. Are these numbers descending order or not?
descending.
5, 4, 3, 1, 0. How did you
Yes, sir.
how did you arrange these terms in the polynomial? Descending powers of x. This first we have taken highest power of x. After that, next highest power of x term. Next, after that, next highest power of x. Like this. In this way, we have to arrange the terms of the polynomial. Then we get the standard form of a polynomial or general form of a polynomial. Got this point, my dear children? How to write a given polynomial in the general form of a polynomial or standard form of a polynomial. I will ask you another example. it is a polynomial in the variable t. What is the variable in this polynomial? Can you tell me? In this polynomial, what is the variable? My dear children,
T.
t. T is the variable. In this polynomial, t is the variable. We have to write this polynomial in its general form. In its general form. It is important point, my dear children. For higher classes, this concept is very, very useful concept. So, right. Now, can you tell me the general form of this polynomial? Can you write this polynomial in its general form? What is the highest power of t here? What is the highest power of t?
7.
So, first we write that term. What is that term? Tell me. What is that term?
80.
Not only 8, don't say simply 8. Before 8, minus is also
Minus
there.
8 t
Don't
to the power of 7.
80.
So we have written the highest power of t for term. Next highest power of t term. What is the next highest power of t
Minus
term?
90 in the power of 4.
Yes, minus 9t power 4. Minus 9t power 4. Next highest power term. Next highest power of t term. What is the next highest power of t?
40.
100 t
4t square plus 4t square plus 4t. Sorry. See there, cube is there, 3 is
100
there.
t power 3.
Yes,
100
100t
t to the cube.
cube. Don't say it as t power 3. T cube. We call it as t cube. Don't say t power 3. Next highest power of t. What is the next highest power of t? T cube after?
40.
Yes. Plus 4t square. Plus 4t square. After that, what is the next highest power of t? What is the next highest power of t?
5t
Minus
minus 5t.
Yes, very good, very good. Minus 5t. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have written all the 5 terms. We have written all the 5 terms of this polynomial in the descending powers of t. Yes or no? We have rearranged these terms of this polynomial so that the terms are in descending powers of t. Understood this point? My dear children, general form. Understood this one? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Now take the screenshot of this page number 3. Take the screenshot of this page number 3, my dear children.
Look, sir.
Have you taken the screenshot?
Look, sir.
My dear-
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you didn't on the audio, sir.
In this class, we have discussed 2 points. What are the 2 points? Do you remember? What are the 2 points? First one,
Degree of
degree of,
polynomial.
yes, very good, Benjamin. And the second point is
General form of polynomial.
general form of a polynomial or standard form of a polynomial. General form of a polynomial or standard form of a polynomial. Understood these 2 points? Are these 2 points clear?
Yes, sir.
What, my dear Ratish? 3mm?
Sir, sorry, sir. My mistake.
Do you want to say something?
No, sir.
Then why did you type this one 3mm? Why did you type this one?
Nothing, sir.
Ah. Now, I will ask you one more example. I will ask you. Now tell me, here
Y
a
to the power of
polynomial is given.
17.
What is the first term? Tell me.
Y to the power of 17.
No, that only you are mistaken. Previously also I told you. Not, I did not turn off my camera. I did not turn off my camera. Once check, Amma. Saroj, Meena Saroj. Who is this? I did not turn off my camera. It is on. My camera is on. Now tell me, minus y power 17, not y power 17. Don't say simply y power 17. Minus is also there. Minus. I will conclude, my dear Jeffrey. This is only minus y power 17. Next term, this is over. This term is over. Next, what is the next term?
10 y power 10.
What is the sign of the term? Tell me. What is the sign of the term?
Plus 10 y power of 10.
So this term is also over. Next term, tell me what is the next term?
Plus 8 y to the power of 9.
Yes. This is also over. What is the next term?
Plus 20 y to plus 20 y square.
20y square. Very good. And the last term is
Minus 4y square. 4y.
minus 4y. Okay. Is it clear, my dear children, how to write a
Yes, sir.
polynomial in the general form or in the standard form? Is it clear? Yes. Now the time is 4 past 16 minutes, my dear children. Now take the screenshot of this page number 4 and you can leave the meeting. You can leave the meeting, take the screenshot of this page number 4 and take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Yes, my dear children, you can leave the meeting. Now the time is 4 past 17 minutes. Now you can leave the meeting. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Stay safe. Sanitize your hands frequently and maintain social distance of
Bye.
2 meters away from others. And write your classwork notes and submit it in the classroom, Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my dear children, please carry on. Thank you. Thank you all, my dear children. Thank you all.